within a plant that's manufacturing products to be reliable, what's the most common issue or problem that you see happen time and time again?
Not identifying where the pain is. Okay, so habit one. So I've come across numerous places where, you know, they have failure and they have failure reports and all that sort of stuff. But what they actually miss out on, and it comes back to habit 5, facilitate to implement, is that brilliant technically, but when it comes to action on the road, not brilliant. And the reason for that is not bringing the team along on the journey. One of the takeaways, or one of the pieces of advice that I could give, until you've changed something, you've done nothing. Until you've made a physical change to a plant, people, or process, you've done nothing. You as a reliability engineer in a large organization may not be able to change that yourself. It requires you to rely upon a team. Bring the team along with you on the journey, okay, that you've discovered. And constructive conversations that lead to a decision that the team makes that makes the difference in the business.
You know, something that I see very, very common as well, where it's like, cool, we've done that RCA, we've done the multiple hours of root cause analysis, but then we take this report and then we forget about it. And it's, to your point, you know, what good is doing this, you know, putting hours and hours into these reports if we're not going to change the way that we operate? We don't,
exactly,
you know, get the necessary people, because to your point, you know, a lot of change can't be done with just a single person. You've got to drive change, knowing what the data is telling you.
Yeah. Put that information into something that is digestible by the audience and get them to make the decision, not you, them.